We'll guide you through how to add captions in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project where you want to add captions. Once your project is open, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, look for the Effects library on the left-hand side of the screen. If it's not visible, simply click on the Effects library button in the top left corner to make it appear. In the Effects library, navigate to the Titles section. Within Titles, you'll find a choice called Subtitles. Drag the Subtitles option onto your timeline above the video clip where you want the captions to appear. With the subtitle track selected in the timeline, go to the Inspector panel on the right side. If the inspector isn't open, click on the Inspector button in the top right. In the inspector, you'll see options to enter your caption text. Type in what you want to appear on screen. You can adjust the font, size, position, and color of your captions to fit your video style. Make sure to play through your video to ensure the timing of the captions matches the dialogue. If you need to add more captions, just repeat the process by adding more subtitle blocks to the timeline. This method allows you to have precise control over how your captions appear and sync with your content. Once you're satisfied with your captions, you can export your video with the captions embedded. Just go to the Deliver page and proceed with your usual export settings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.